that finally our patience is paying off. Staying out, monitoring S&P 500 future collapse this morning had been a bit excruciating, but entering in the middle of the wave 3 is not conservative thing to do. So therefore, we waited for the danger zone levels to be reached, which is price reversal levels, and we got very much inception of the trend on the smallest time frame. Price had been taking quite a bit of a pause and moving my stop well outside of break-even. Please take some profits off the table at this level. Once price will blast through the danger zone, we're going into larger time frame expansion, and I'm monitoring multiple other time frames where I will be taking trade setups as well. Once again reminding you the danger of acquiring trend position at the danger zone levels. Had been truly incredibly choppy, fascinating day on oil for all the same reasons. All the same reasons. 3 hours in a row, price respecting this level. Will buyers finally show up on oil with vengeance as the dance is still on? So if price is not going to get pulled back on the 5 range, it's only better for our trade. It's only showing us the power of buyers, which is not something we see on oil, correct? So reminder, once price blasts through the danger zone level, I will go into a larger wave expansion. This level is critical. This is where price is taking major pause. I am expecting a pullback, do not ignore that. But I'm getting massive confirmations that buyers showing up. But we will get a pullback, do not ignore that fact. It's inevitable. When price reaches danger zone, it gets incredibly tired, just like our short trend had reached exhaustion levels. So please do not ignore this fact. As I spelled out, pullback is inevitable. Price did not break through danger zone levels yet. My stop is outside of break even. 2 points are not to be taken for granted on S&P 500 futures, where liquidity is not the issue. So respect and protect your profits. We're not out of the woods yet. Price did not evolve into a larger time frame. Incredibly critical time. What will price do in the next few minutes? Is this only a bullish correction? Is this only meaningful formation we caught on the smallest range chart I will ever touch, which is 5 range? This is reminder, S&P 500 futures is the most liquid instrument in the market. It is a very, very simple and pure instrument to start trading with, unlike oil. Oil is not for newbies. It breaks my heart when I get phone calls from guys who have been in trading a couple of months and then go straight to live account on oil. Ouch! Become a knowledgeable and prudent trader. Know what to trade and know where danger zone levels are. Once again, reminding you, this is reversal levels on my 5 range chart. 2 points had been protected, profits taken off the table. Know where these levels are. You know where to expect reversals, just like we waited and monitored for on our guiding light 1 hour. Showing you that it doesn't matter what instrument you trade, it doesn't matter what time frame, formula remains the same. Monitoring S&P on other time frames. We're out of this trade. Stop was moved outside of break-even. Danger zone had been reached. 2 points, 2.25, not to be taken for granted. So taking long again on 5 range, all price has to do is to blast through decision point 1. My first target on this trade is 1694. I'm also entering this trade on much larger time frames. Alright, so buckle up. S&P is giving me confirmation on other time frames for strong reversals. Alright, 1694 is here. It's my first target. My trail 1691.75. Second trade of the day on S&P 500. So let's see if this time price will blast through the danger zone levels. So far 5 trades today, 3 oil, 2 yes, 1 negative on oil. So guys, you do remember what happens when price reaches danger zone levels, right? Again, the most critical level on this structure is 1696. Pullback once again is inevitable. So please do remember that. And once again, we cut this inception of the bullish rally second time on our favorite time frame, my favorite time frame on S&P 500 futures, 5 range. Once again reminding you, if you exercise extreme patience and discipline, and if you don't trade in the middle or trend exhaustion levels, it pays off immensely as long as you play by the rules. I am adjusting my stop to break even because I do remember that pullback is inevitable when price reaches danger zone. This is my trade exhaustion level. This is my trend reversal levels. I'm getting confirmations across the board. I'm trailing very, very carefully. Pay attention to what happens when price reaches this level. I'm expecting a pullback. Absolutely, exact same thing that happened when my short trend reached this area. So here we go as expected. Danger zone had been reached. My trade is pretty tired. And that's how price moves. My trail 1693.25. Second trade on S&P 5 range. Second trade 2 points. Second trade ending when danger zone is being reached. So once again, once we're gonna blast through these levels, we will go into a larger time frame expansion, as it looks incredibly promising. But this is what the key. Protecting your profits is essential. Please do remember that. As I spelled out, 1696 is the most critical area. So be very, very careful. And it is inside my danger zone levels. So guys, I am going to close out for today. My trail at 1693.25, danger zone had been reached. To respect this level highly. We're gonna review this trade tomorrow morning. So there we go. Patience and discipline paid off. 2 trades on S&P 500, each trade for 2 points. We'll review this trade tomorrow at this pullback completely expected, leaving my trail at 1693.25.